In this video, we are going to solve questions on subtracting mixed numbers. The first question we have is 5 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 3 over 4. First of all, we have to know what a mixed number is. A mixed number has two parts, the fraction part and also the whole number part. The first question, we have 5 whole number 1 over 2 and 2 whole number 3 over 4. The 5 and the 2 are the whole number parts, and also the 1 over 2 and the 3 over 4 are the fraction parts. The first thing we have to do is that we have to convert each of these fractions to an improper fraction. So the first one, 5 whole number 1 over 2. This one, you first multiply the whole number by the denominator, which is 5 times 2. And then we add your answer to 1. And then we divide everything by 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 over 2, which will give you 11 over 2. And then we also convert the second mixed number to improper fraction, 2 whole number 3 over 4. The first thing we do is that we multiply the whole number and also the denominator. So 2 times 4, and then we add it to the numerator, plus 3, all divided by 4. So 2 plus 4 is 8 plus 3 over 4. Now we have 11 over 4. The next thing is that now we've converted each of the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Here the 11 over 2, which is this one, and also minus 11 over 4, which is this one. Now we are coming to subtract this improper fraction. But because the 2 and 4 are not the same, we have to find their LCM. And the least common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. By the way, if you don't know how to solve for the LCM, check my video on how to find the LCM of numbers. Now, knowing the LCM, we equate each of the fractions, which is 11 over 2, to the LCM. Now, 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? We know that 2 times 2 will give you 4. And then we bring this 2 also up here, times 2. 11 times 2 is 22. Then we put this one aside and go and take the second improper fraction, which is 11 over 4. And then we equate it to the LCM. Now 4 times what number will give you 4? We know that 4 times 1 is 4, and then also 1 here. 11 times 1 is 11. We have 22 over 4 and also 11 over 4. And let's bring the minus sign. Now, because now over here the denominators were not the same, that's why we couldn't what to subtract. But now, since they have the same denominator, we can subtract the numerators. 22 minus 11, and 22 minus 11 is 11 over 4. This is our final answer, but we are not to leave our final answer in this improper fraction because the question was given to us in mixed number. So let's convert this one, 11 over 4, to a mixed number. Now, to convert this one, first of all, let's list the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12. Let me add it. Now, the next thing you ask yourself is that out of these multiples, which of them is less than 11? Less than or equal to 11. Now, as you can see, 12 is greater than 11, so 12 is not part. Now, 4 and 8 are less than 11, but the 8 is more closer to the 11 than 4, so we're going to write over here 8. And then we say that what number plus 8 will give us 11? You know that 8 plus 3 will give us 11, and then we bring the denominator, and then we split each of these fractions. So we have 8 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Now 8 over 4 plus 3 over 4, you know that 8 is the same as 2 times 4 all over 4 plus 3 over 4. You know that this one will cancel, leaving only the 2. We now have 2 whole number plus 3 over 4. Then we can join them to be 2 whole number 3 over 4. So this is the answer. Let's consider the second one. The second one, we have 6 whole number 5 over 6 minus 3 whole number 1 over 3. The first thing you have to do is that you have to change each of the mixed numbers to an improper fraction. And to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, the first thing is that multiply the whole numbers by the denominators and then add it to the numerators, which is 5 and 1, and then divide everything by the denominators. So here we multiply the 6 and this 6, so 6 times 6, and then we add it to the 5. We divide everything by 6. As you know, 6 plus 6 is 36 plus 5 over 6. Now 36 plus 5 will give us 41 over 6. Now we put this one there. Let's take the second one, which is 3 whole number 1 over 3. The first thing is that we multiply the 3 and this 3. So 3 times 3 plus 1 all over 3. Know that 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 all divided by 3. We get 10 over 3. Now we've converted each of the mixed numbers to improper fraction. We have 41 over 6 minus 10 over 3. Now we can go ahead and subtract because the 6 and 3 are not the same. The first thing is that we have to find the LCM of the 6 and 3. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. As I said, if you want to know how to find the LCM, you can check my video on how to find the LCM. Now, the next thing we do is that we equate each of the mixed numbers, of the improper fractions to the LCM. Here, 41 over 6, we equate it to the LCM, 6. Now, 6 multiplied by what number will give you 6? 6 multiplied by 1 will give you 6. Then you bring the 1 up here again. 41 times 1 is 41. Over here, we know that 10 over 3, then we equate it to the LCM, which is 6. 3 times what number will give you 6? 3 times 2, and over here 2. 10 times 2 is 20. Now we get 41 over 6 minus 20 over 6. So because the denominators are the same, we can just subtract the numerator. So 41 minus 20. And 41 minus 20 is the same as 21 over 6. Now, we can't just leave our answer like this. We can break it, we can simplify it further. 21 is the same as 3 times 7, which is 21, and also 3 times 2 is 21. We cross out the 3, we now left it 7 over 2. But the 7 over 2, the question was given to us in mixed number, so we have to change this 7 over 2 to a mixed number. And to do that, 7 over 2, and to do that, let's list the multiples of 2. We have 2, 2, 4, and then we have 6, 8, then 10. Now, these numbers, which of them is less than 6? Sorry, which of them is less than 7? As you know, 8 and 10 are greater than, so they are not parts. Now, as you know, the 6, 2, and then 4 are less than 7, but the 6 is more closer to the 7, so we just write 6. Now, what number plus 6 will give you 7? Which is 1 over 2. Then we split it, which is 6 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And 6 over 2 is the same as 3 plus 1 over 2. So finally, we get 3 whole number 1 over 2. So this is how we can subtract mixed numbers. You can just take your time and go through the steps and then arrive at your final answer. Thanks again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel.